Remember that thing we both have in common about having messed up before when it comes to anti-racism or DEI? Well, have you ever been in a situation where you've messed up and you know in the moment that you messed up, but you're at a loss for what to say, and so you just don't say anything and hope that nobody else does either, that nobody calls you on it? Or have you ever been in a situation where you observed someone say or do something inappropriate or offensive, but because you didn't know quite how to address it, you didn't say anything? And then later, you're kicking yourself because you're thinking, oh, I should have said that, or, oh, why didn't I do that? I've been there in both situations. The one who said something inappropriate and didn't own it, and the one who's observed something inappropriate and didn't say or do anything about it. Neither feels good. And though we know all the dialogue that's going on in our own head, nobody else does. So guess what it is they see? Silence. That dreaded silence that leaves people concluding things like, do they care? Did they not just hear and see what happened? Do they agree with it? What you see right now on your screen is a poll I use in one of my live courses. I'm asking you to go ahead and answer it as well. Which of the following has most often been your response to racist speech or behavior that you have directly observed? How did you respond? Notice that the first three choices do involve silence. I haven't collated all the results, but I do look at responses within teams. Where do you think most of the responses land? C, change the subject. Changing the subject is a form of silence because it doesn't address the comment or the behavior. When I ask folks why there are not more of them doing the D&E behaviors, what do you think they say? If your answer to the poll was A, B, or C, then why are you not doing more of the D and E behaviors? I don't know what your specific answer is, but I'll give you the same prediction that I give teams that come to me for help. The answer is never, because I want to be the biggest racism enabler I can be. No, nobody ever says that. Here's what people say. I don't always recognize racism, and when I do recognize it, I don't know how to address it. I'm nervous about handling the situation wrong and making things even worse. Did you catch that? It's a matter of awareness, ability, and confidence that will prompt us to do more of the D and E behaviors. Write this sentence in your journal. When I can recognize it, I can then prevent it in myself and also interrupt it in others. 3 guiding principles that will lead us to take actions. We'll draw on each as we transition to application.